What is up, guys? This is Dragon Dollars, and today I have a crazy guest on the channel. You don't want to miss this. It's a guy from Minnesota, United States of America. He runs various YouTube channels and various business. He's only 23 years old, and he's my friend Joey. So today I have the pleasure to interview and give the juice of how to start a business in 2025 and start your path to financial freedom. So without further ado, let's get this going. Man, who are we today?
Joey, I'm Joey.
Hey man, what do you do? What do you do for a living?
I run a few YouTube channels, like I manage them and stuff. All faceless.
That's insane, man. Can you tell us a little bit the story on how you started for the young generation? What would be the advice on how to start a YouTube faceless channel in 2025 today?
I'd say if you want to start YouTube faceless specifically, first you need to find someone succeeding already. Like go online, look for other creators that are doing it well. And of course, avoid those scammers because there's a lot of them out there. And then just try to replicate like their success. Find out why they're succeeding, what they're doing differently from you, and just put the time in.
Right now, how old are you?
I'm 23.
Do you think going to college is important in today's world?
Financially, no. I didn't go to college. Socially, I think it can be a great thing. I don't think it's necessary. I also don't think it's a bad idea if you do want to go there. Like, for my YouTube thing, I honestly think I could do both at the same time. But financially, if you're not becoming a doctor or anything like that, then no.
How is it important to have a team behind you that is working for your business and like providing the service that you need?
Okay, yeah. Outsourcing is honestly everything. When I first started, for YouTube, I started outsourcing right away. But my old businesses, I used to do everything myself. Like I ran Instagram theme pages for a while. Everything myself. Just takes so much time. And yeah, obviously you want to free up your time for stuff like this. Outsourcing is definitely everything, because then not only do you free up your time, but you find people that are much more qualified than you. Like I can't edit a video, I can't script a video well. I find someone way better doing that than me, and I hire them.
So how do you find these guys?
Through a lot of different platforms like Upwork, Discord, online, PH.
How many people do you manage right now today's world?
Manage, let's see.
How big is your team?
Around 30, I'd say right now.
So you run like a 30 people team. So what's the number one key to leadership in today's world?
Number one key is obviously hiring the right people from the get-go. Like for me, finding the right applicants, I looked through hundreds of different trials, got the right person, and not just the good quality, I want someone who's actually engaged, good personality. I send them good SOPs. Everything should be good from the get-go. Yeah, as soon as they start to fall behind, I, of course, want to try to fix that right away. If it ends up continuing, then you just have to fire them on the spot.
So how is it important to have like a standard of operations, a SOP, right? Standard of processes in your business, especially when you scale and you don't go from only one editor to others that maybe you can manage by yourself, talking to him daily, but like you manage like 10, 20, 30 or 100 people. SOP is a game changer. How do you start and create these SOPs for the business?
SOPs are definitely 100% required. To start, I did not do those at all, which was a huge fucking mistake.
You lose a lot of time without SOPs, right?
Yes, a lot of time.
A lot of back and forth with editors and stuff.
A lot of back and forth. And not only that, but like when you go in to create the SOP yourself, you realize things that you didn't even like mention before. So you figure out those small things. And then, yeah, the issue with no SOP, it's not only the time, but the consistency from editor to editor, it's way off. Like, as soon as you have an SOP, all editors start to feel the same. They start to, like, edit the same way.
So how do you create the first SOP for your business?
What I did was I personally had, like, a mentor I kind of worked with. So he showed me his SOPs, and I basically replicated off that. For those who maybe don't have a mentor or anything like that, search up online. I'm sure there's SOPs out there. Honestly, I know it's going to sound a little crazy, but ChatGPT, ask them to create you like a good SOP. Of course, I wouldn't use that, but it's good. It can be like good inspo.
So how important it was for you to have a mentor that you could get inspired from and actually get guidance from? How big of your success is due to this guy?
I'd say a pretty good amount. To start, I didn't have a mentor, and I still did decent. As soon as I got to a mentor, though, it like leveled up. And also, by the way, when I say mentor, I don't mean like someone I paid for. Like I went up to this guy. I knew him priorly through another business venture I did. I messaged him, hey, I know you do this business, you want to start something? His first message to me was like, no, he doesn't want to.
Why should he, right?
Yeah, why should he?
What are you
I
offering?
knew nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he said, come back in 6 months, because I was new at the time.
Fuck.
So
Yeah.
I worked for 6 months, and I did. And then when I did come back in 6 months later, I didn't get paid. I didn't get a partnership. I worked for free. For
him?
Yes, I worked for
What
free.
were you doing?
I was just managing like the team, giving him strategy. He was seeing like how I did. He had a business partner at the time, so that dude would give me feedback too. So yeah, the first like 6 months of working with him, I did not make anything. I made zero. But then it just all kind of works out.
So what was the best year that you ever made in money terms?
For YouTube,
In general,
in general, back in the Snapchat Spotlight days,
how much did you make?
shout out to anyone who knows what that is. But I made around 250K.
That was your best year?
Yeah, actually best month, but
You made 250K in a month. So what was the best year that you ever made?
it was 250K. It was the same.
Fuck, all right. So when did you become a millionaire, man?
I'm not a billionaire yet. Not
Millionaire?
Yet. Millionaire?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Not yet. All right.
yet.
All right.
One day.
So how much are you making a month, roughly?
Around 15K now.
All right. All right. And how much is your expenses? So how much does it cost to run all these operations?
Well, 15K was profit, so revenues probably like 20K, and then expenses is close to 5.
So man, you belong to the top 1% of the people in all the world that reach the passive income. What's the stage for the next 5 years of your life? How do you see your financial life going? What's the goal? Do you want to become a millionaire? You just want to chill out? How does it feel like?
Good question. To be honest, I feel like I'm probably not like most people like around this stage, because I honestly don't really give a fuck about making a ton of money. I just want to live a good life.
I gotta say, it's a really chill dude. I just met it drinking beers and like, I gotta say, and I will include this in the video, it's a really chill dude, super down to earth, and like, he just told me like he was running YouTube Faceless channel, so like, fuck, I had to buy a beer to this guy. Okay, one last advice for the younger generation that would like to start your business, because right now, it's all good and said, you're already making your money, but like, what would you say to your younger self like 5 years ago when it was just starting out?
Few things. This isn't just for business, by the way. Discipline is literally the number one thing, and you can build that so many ways. Like when I was 18, I had no discipline. I started taking cold showers every day. Shit fucking sucked, but doing something hard every day
Cold
works.
showers, guys.
That's cold showers. I mean, I don't want to be one of those people, but
No. I do it as well. That's a good
it
lesson.
generally does like kind of help. Going to the gym every day. What you have to think is, like for the gym, the way I think is, the days you don't want to go are the days you absolutely have to go. As soon as I started thinking that, shit changed. Discipline there carries over to business. And obviously the number one thing with business, which a lot of people struggle with, is you have to take action. Like you don't want to just research something for months. Even if you're gonna fail to start. Everyone does. I failed to start a fuck ton.
Guys, that was a fire interview. I met one of the most people that I respect the most. He's 23 years old and he's already have a team of 30 people. He's making thousands of dollars in the passive income, managing a team of 30 plus people. And guys, this is only a start. He's only 23 years old. He's already the financial freedom, and right now he's just focusing on life, which is the most important thing. You heard what you say. Discipline is the number one block to success. So guys, do your cold showers and always stay dragons.